everyone, it's Dan with Art of Overnight, and we're here at the airfield where you guys might recognize it as in my previous videos where I met some plane and quadcopter hobbyists. Today we do have quite the assortment of toys to play with, and a group of a club, an air hobby club is here, serving up some pizza and I did, man. I love Flatbed's pizza. I go there all the time. I love their pizza. I'll have some, man. Thanks again for your hospitality. This is awesome. And I just came down from the Atlantic City Air Show, and I saw like the Canadian fighter jets and the Thunderbirds. I just saw them on Wednesday, and then to see like these guys, it's like boom, like blowing my mind. This has just been awesome. Look, an air glider. Yeah. They got they have a Ocean City, New Jersey air show coming up, and they have the guy stand on the biplane strapped on the wing walker, and I got to see all these guys. Look at this plane. You want to tell me a little bit about it? Oh, the Mustang! I saw the Mustang. He was a daredevil. He was riding that thing. He was a crowd pleaser, this guy, the Mustang. All motor. Look at that 4-prop plane. But I better hold on to it. It might take off right now, man. We saw this. I'm gonna drop a video of this guy in the air. Look at this. Oh wow, we're gonna go up and down. Some gliders. We saw these jets up in Atlantic City. Guy has an electric bike. We got the GoCYCLE bike. Interesting thing about this, they got this center cap disconnects. You'll see this on sports cars, Porsches. But look at this treadwear. I don't know how that's gonna displace any water going through a puddle, but he said they don't need it. Oh wow. Then fold it.
That's a very thin tire and aluminum.
How light is that wheel?
Very light.
Whoo! That is light. Wow. Like a pound or two.
Tubeless? Tubeless?
Yeah.
Tubeless tires?
I think there is a tube.
Much faster.
Yeah, that probably is.
Just an afternoon flying planes. Now, what's great about the electric bikes is I was thinking about getting one for the van that it'd be easily foldable, and I'll be able to charge it up using the van just to keep me on the go. But then I know this belongs to my friend over here with the Tesla, and we're gonna just go up and down. These are some cool planes, and then we have another large assortment of planes over here. Boom, look at these gorgeous planes. Now this is a good way to spend your Sunday fun day here in the park. Look at all these fun toys. And there's the adventure van, guys. You say hi to that. And you guys can actually see what's a great way if you want to teach someone how to hobby fly. You can actually connect your remote over to a trainer, someone who's more experienced, and then you could practice. And then if anything goes wrong, they will take control and make sure that nothing bad happens. But check that out. I kind of just fell into this. I just wanted to get some B-roll footage and just explain that I just came back. We used the adventure van to go drive down to Atlantic City and back for the Atlantic City Air Show, where I was able to see some Canadian fighter jets, the Thunderbirds, some biplanes, some copters from all sorts of branches of the government. And you know, it's just cool to say this is like the toy, smaller versions of them. But this is just some context, and I thought, wow, this is so cool. This has been a great summer for flying. So I thought this would be a good time to lead into all the great shots that I was able to get while sitting on the beach in Atlantic City, New Jersey, of some of the planes that were going over. Now he's moving. We had some crazy jets fly close to each other and like turn and do some loop-de-loops, and it was just a great time. With the sun out and boardwalk and casinos behind me, it was a great balance of trying to get some sun and, you know, some drinks. We did spend a couple of hours on the beach and with the family. It was a great time. I'm glad we you know, went down there to see the air show and all the great planes and whoever participated. The adventure van came out on top. It was great. The drive, I split it up halfway, took a nap, and then did the other half of the drive, and then drove back up to Boston in one long shot. It really is a great tool just to have a van where I can just pull over to the side of the road. If the weather is raining, or if I just feel tired, or just want to stop over to surf the internet or grab a bite to eat, that I could use the adventure van and just have some place to relax and then kick up, you know, again. But let's go ahead and take a look at all this footage I have from the beach. And if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We are gonna have more videos on the way. I'm gonna see if I can get some guys and their planes up in the air. Bonus footage. Stay tuned.
Oh yeah. That thing was walking. gonna come to a quick stop.
Step on his tail.
Wow, good job.
Wow. Touchdown.
No, I want a slow landing.
Nice. That's good.
I did.
No landing, front gear, belly on the grass.
You got brand new song. Here we go.
Light it up.
Better live GPS.
I didn't even know that this would have GPS. It's so small. What would it be used for? Just to keep track of it on its
You
own?
can land, you press the red button, you can land right where it took off.
Oh, gotcha, gotcha.
RC flying for beginners.
Yeah, press the red button.
I lost it.
Red button, yeah.
What's the point of flying? You sit to
Add up.
Scotty,
Huh?
can I give you donate? I have so many streamers at Waltham.
I'm good.
Push, push. Downwinder.
It's a downwinder.
The one that you lost signal a few times and buried everywhere.
Boy, oh boy, what a day today. Talk about Sunday fun day. Just today with all the planes and way to tie it into my Atlantic City Air Show video taken earlier this week. That's where I got this nice tan. I was on vacation for the previous week, and that's why I didn't pump out a video. I was spending it with just at the beach and with friends and family. And stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and write down below what's your favorite airplane. Do you like real airplanes or the RC airplanes? Let me know. Have you flown RC planes before, even in Flight Simulator? Because I have tiny drones, but I also have the Flight Simulator 7.5 that I can play on my PC with the Spectrum, DX6 controller. Let me know what controllers you guys use, and yeah, thanks a lot. Peace out. Kauai.